The hell is that noise? Shadow, I'll go get you food, don't worry. But what the heck is that noise? Oh my gosh! Oh my god, it's so loud. Why do they have to... She's trying to hit me. Ow. She scratched my leg. Chloe, you can't sleep either. Ugh. Hey Ariana, do you know what the noise is? No, but I think it's new people. Oh, okay. I'll be out after I look on Insta Minecraft. Is that even a thing? Is that even... Her with her social media? Isn't it Instagram? Oh, they renamed it to Insta Minecraft. Shadowby. I'm gonna get you milk. Oh wait, the familiar. Let me just get this milk first, or my cat will absolutely slaughter me because I will forget about it. Let's talk to this guy first. Hey, cutie. Bro! Hey, what did you do that for? You don't want to do that. I've done that before. Jason! Oh my god, I've missed you! Hey, baby girl. Anyway, leave us alone. We have to unpack. Jason, I'm not your baby girl! But because I haven't seen you in like a month, I'll let it off. Right. Okay, bye Jason and Flirter. Bye my baby girl. My Barbie doll. Winks. I'm gonna kill him. I know that someone will be happy to see you except me because I am still happy. Yeah, they do have a little bit of unboxing to do. It's probably... Is there one upstairs? Yeah. Probably have some stuff to do up there as well. Anyway... Bye. Oh, his cat must be coming too. My cat. So cute. Shadow, I got your food. Please don't attack me. Please don't attack me. She's asleep. Quickly. Oh, I just hit her bed. Quickly give them the food. Put the bucket in, and they're still loud. But I'm just gonna go to bed. Actually, no, I might. Shadow, where are you? You're still in my head. Well, now you're awake. What do I need? Oh, yeah, I do need to play with Shadow. Oh my god, somebody's at the door and I literally sat down. But you also do need food. So I obviously would have went down later. But not right now. Who's at the door? Oh, it's Jason. Hey, darling. Morning, babe. Winks. Okay. Who are you, and what have you done to Ariana? Ha ha ha. What do you want, Jason? Well, I wanted to ask you something. Blushes. Ask me what? Blushes a little. Will you go to dinner with me, please? Blushes. Of course, but I'm not wearing anything fancy. Blushes. Alright, fine. See you at the place. But I have to get back to Andy. Bye, Barbie doll. Right, okay, bye, Jason. Winks. I'm gonna slam this door right in your face. Cause, no! You know, I can wait. I just want to go sit down. Actually, no, I forgot to get the milk. I'm just gonna be really. Wait, am I? Not my form. Don't have to be in my form. Yeah. Ow. I'm gonna go milky. You. Oh, hi. 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 Hi, 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 hi. Ga, ga, ga. You don't like me anymore. You seem the same. About this one. Hello. Yeah, got milk. He's still at my front door. Wait. Yep. Jason, you can bye. Look, I swear to you, my cat destroys this. Hello, cat. Sex. Eat it. Go on. Do you need a bit of help there, Shadow? Oh my god, I'm so sorry, my little kitten. You want to let me pick you up? Your food is over here. You want a bit of help there? Yay! Happy kitten. Anyway, let's go play a bit. We'll play a bit this. So guys, yeah, I'm just gonna step away from you, Chloe. So yeah, that's the end of this video, and as you think, Chloe would normally do the outro, but guess what, Chloe? I say no, no. So I'm going to go and say, if you liked, like and subscribe, and if Chloe should be jealous of, like, Ariana thinks it's a friend date, sticky keys, yeah, you're just gonna have to deal with it.